Today's Friday, May 28th. This is the 1965-66 air conditioning power servo unit for the climate control. This is the duplexing variant specific to 65 and 66. This is a fully restored show quality unit for my friend Mark in Oregon. In addition to the air conditioning power servo, he's also getting the fully restored vacuum actuated master switch, as well as the replacement hot water valve and a fully restored fuel pump. Okay, so the air conditioning climate control system is facilitated by the in-dash climate controller and this duplexing power servo. This is a duplexing power servo as it has dual tandem vacuum actuating manifolds, both of which have been completely disassembled and cleaned and polished, precision lapped to a zero micro finished with a 50,000 grit abrasive slurry. Okay, the primary circuit board has been replaced. The contact board, which is part of the swing mechanism, has also been replaced, as well as the vacuum actuator. So this is a fully restored unit. I'm going to go ahead and apply vacuum. Be looking for the system to articulate. And we can see how the swing arm facilitates the movement of the contacts across the circuit board. We're holding constant pressure, just about 10 pounds, and I'll go ahead and release to atmosphere. And we see how the unit relaxes. Okay, this basically controls the blender box through that articulating arm. Okay, constant pressure at about 9 pounds. I'll go ahead and release to atmosphere. And the unit relaxes. Okay, so this is Eldorado, Georgia, and Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including all the air conditioning components such as the condensers, the evaporator, the power servo, the in-dash climate controller, the master vacuum switch, the heater valve. Okay, this is an example of how these units come in. Absolutely nasty, and this is the fully restored embodiment. Okay, this is Eldorado, Georgia, and Florida. Today is Friday, May 29th. Thank you very kindly.